students, our next chapter, that is chapter 15, Book Club. In this we are going to study about different books written by famous authors and well-known authors. Become a member of book club and get hooked to the habit of reading. This will expand your mental horizons. Okay, so in this there are it's given the book name and we have to write the author's name. Okay, let's start. The first one is Das Kapital book, which was written by famous well-known author, that is Karl Marx. Das Kapital, also known as Capital, a critique of political economy, is a foundational theoretical text in the materialist philosophy, economics and politics by Karl Marx. Next is God of Small Things book, which was written by Arundhati Roy. The God of Small Things is the debut novel of Indian writer Arundhati Roy. It is a story about the childhood experiences of a fraternal twins whose lives are destroyed by the love laws that lay down who should be loved and how much. This is very interesting book. Next is The Last Order. The Last Orders, which was written by Graham Swift. Last Orders is a 1996 Booker Prize winning novel by British writer Graham Swift. In 2001, it was adapted for the film Last Orders by Australian writer and director Fred Cespisi. Fourth one is Midnight's Children. Midnight's Children was written by Salman Rushdie. Midnight's Children is a 1981 novel by author Salman Rushdie. It portrays India's transitions from British colonial rule to independence and the partition of India. Midnight's Children won both the Booker Prize and the James Tate Black Memorial Prize in 1981. Fifth one, Pride and Prejudice. Pride and Prejudice was written by Jane Austen. Pride and Prejudice is an 1813 romantic novel of manners written by Jane Austen. The novel follows the character development of Elizabeth Bennet, the dynamic protagonist of the book who learns about romantic fantasy. Sixth one is The Inheritance of Laws, was written by Kiran Desai. The Inheritance of Laws is the second novel by Indian author Kiran Desai. It was first published in 2006. It won a number of awards, including the Man Booker Prize for that year, the National Book Critics Circle Fiction Award in 2007, and the 2006 Vodafone Crossword Book Award. Seventh is Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs' book was written by Walter Isaacson. Steve Jobs is the authorized self-titled biography of Steve Jobs. The book was written at the request of Jobs by Walter Isaacson, a former executive at CNN and Time, who has written best-selling biographies of Benjamin. The book was released on October 24, 2011 in United States by Simon and Schuster after 19 days Jobs' death. Eighth one is Two States. Two States was written by Chetan Bhagat. Two States, it is the story of my marriage, commonly known as Two States, is a 2009 novel written by Chetan Bhagat. It is the story about a couple coming from two different states in India who face hardships in convincing their parents to approve of their marriage. The ninth one is Life of Pi. It was written by Ian Martel. Life of Pi is a Canadian philosophical novel by Ian Martel, published in 2001. The protagonist is Pisan Molitor P.I. Patel, an Indian Tamil boy from Pondicherry who explores issue of spirituality and metaphysics from an early age. And the last one is The Secret, which was written by Rhonda Byrne. The Secret is a 2006 self-help book by Rhonda Byrne, based on the earlier film of the same name. It is based on the belief of the law of attraction, which claims that thoughts can change a person's life directly. The book alleges energy as assurance of its effectiveness. I hope you enjoyed this watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.